Welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you two methods to fix that annoying camera shake when your character's capsule collides with small obstacles on the ground. Let's start with the first and easiest method. We're going to add a little delay to the camera movement so it doesn't instantly follow the player's up and down motion. Open your character blueprint and select the camera boom in the Components panel. Now in the Details panel, enable camera lag and set the camera lag speed to somewhere between 10 and 12. As you can see, the camera no longer feels glued to the player. Instead, the character moves up and down, while the camera follows with a slight delay. If you look from the side, you'll notice the camera starts moving just a little later. There's also another option called camera rotation lag. This one smooths out the rotation when you move the mouse or rotate around the character. It's not always ideal for shooter games, but it works great in story-driven games where you want slower, more cinematic camera movement. And if you want, you can set it up so that when the player aims, this option gets disabled automatically. Now let's move on to the second method. First, reset the character back to its default state. Then select your obstacles, and in the Details panel, set the collision presets to custom. After that, set pawn to ignore. This way, the character's capsule collision ignores the obstacles. But since visibility is still set to block, the animation blueprint can still detect them, so the player walks over the obstacle instead of clipping through it. As you can see, the camera now stays stable and doesn't move up and down unnecessarily. To make this clearer, I'll unhide the character's capsule collision. Now you can see that the capsule passes right through the obstacles. But if I switch one of the obstacles back to the default collision, the capsule gets pushed up. And that's exactly what caused the camera to suddenly move up and down before. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.